Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to fix Windows whenever you are updating the Windows level. If you're getting this error like KB5101650 not installing Windows level, if you're troubleshooting this error, I give some steps one by one follow to this problem fix it. And let's look at the solution. Solution 1: corrupted files delete in file explorer. So you can click to the file explorer, and here you can click on the local disk C. Then scroll down and click on the Windows folder. Then scroll down. We can go to find or locate the software distribution folder. Then select it all in software distribution folder. Then right click and just delete the all folders. If you did, then you are away from the software distribution folder. Then we can throw the next solution. The next solution, troubleshoot Windows update. So we need Windows settings. So we go to that Windows search bar and type that settings. We can click to open. Here using the search bar, type Windows update. We can go to click on the file and fixing problem with. Here click on the next. If you get the new tab, then you click on the next. If it is processing, it will find some problems and show you. It is show me the some problems, so we will wait to see. Here problems are found. The check Windows update issues detected here. Just close to come to away. Then we can go to proceed the next solution. Then command promote. So we can go to the Windows search bar and type the CMD. Then right click on the command promote and select the run as administrator. Then inside command promote and type commands for I go to demonstrate. First of all, we can go to open the browser. Then type that MR.LEARNING way. Just click this website and open. Then you can go to click on the search bar and type that Windows level update. Then scroll down. You can go to click this blog post. Then scroll down or come away. Then you can go to throw the some comments inside. So wait here. You can go to visit the first blog post. Just click to open. Then scroll down. Here the all here there all here are all comments. So just one by one copy to. You can go to paste in command promote. Just hit the enter. The next command one by one paste here. Paste in command promote. Just one by one copy. Then go to paste. If you did, then you can go to again restart it is fully stopped. So you can go to again restart that commands. So you can that how to restart commands. Then below insert. Then just one by one copy to restart the all services. So you can this one by one copy to go to that command format and inside paste. If you did, then away from the command format, then we can go to throw the next solution. Before restart, go to check the Windows update updating or not. If this try to it does not work, then we can go to throw the next solution. The next solution, sorry, delete temporary files. So we can go to the Windows search bar and type that delete temporary files. Just click on this tool, and here you can go to click on the temporary files. Then scroll down, select the temporary files and thumbnails, delivery optimized file and temporary internet files and directs. It is most important step. Selection for directs standard catch. If you all did select it, then you can go to click on the remove files, click to remove all files. If you did, then away from the settings, then we can go to throw the next solution. Then next solution services. So we can go to check Windows update is select or not. So you can go to the Windows search bar and type that services. We can click to open, then scroll down, go to last, then select the Windows update, then right click, then you can go to click on the properties. Here you can see startup type automatically selected the automatic. Here you can go to check service status is, if the service status is stopped, just to start to change, then hit the apply to save and work to away from these properties. Then again away from the services and go to the settings and restart your Windows update. Check if it is working or not. Sometimes if this try to definitely work it, but does not work, then you can go to throw the next solution, Windows file scanner. So check the scanner tool, try to some error files and mistaken files remove. So you can go to the files explorer and select the local disk, then right click and click on the properties. Here you can click on the tools tab, click on it, and here error checking, just click on this check, then select the scan driver. It is the scanning, so wait 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, it is successfully finished. Then just here you can see Windows successfully scanned the driver, no error were found. Just hit the close to away and close the properties. Then you can go to the start menu and click on the power button and select the restart to restart your system. Then your problem should be solved. And if you have any doubt, let me know. I will help you. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.